New tool converts flight logs into interactive 3D visualizations for training and analysis. AirData has introduced a new tool designed to help drone operators better understand their flights. The company's 3D flight player turns standard flight logs into a detailed, interactive experience. The feature aims to support deeper analysis, improve pilot training, and provide more accurate post flight review. By transforming telemetry data into a visual format, operators can see what happened during a flight with greater clarity. Turning flight data into a visual experience, the 3D flight player allows users to visualize flights in a true 3D environment. The system includes terrain awareness and field of view simulation. This helps users understand how the drone interacted with its surroundings. Operators can follow the drone's exact perspective during a mission. The playback shows camera angle and gimbal position in real time. This level of detail can help teams review inspection work or identify issues during complex flights. The platform also includes multiple viewing modes. Users can switch between terrain, satellite, and dark mode views. These options allow operators to match the display to their workflow or environment. Detailed playback for training and analysis. The tool uses high frequency telemetry data to recreate each flight. This provides a precise and detailed representation of drone behavior. Users can review control stick inputs based on time-stamped log data. This feature helps explain how pilot actions affected the aircraft. It may also support training by showing how experienced pilots handle specific scenarios. Playback controls allow users to highlight key metrics. These include altitude, battery levels, speed, and signal strength. Teams can focus on the data points most relevant to their operations, supporting safer and more efficient operations. By combining visual playback with detailed data, the 3D flight player offers a clearer view of each mission. Operators can identify patterns, evaluate performance, and refine workflows. The result is greater visibility, stronger insights, and more confidence in drone operations.